Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to code an interactive animal in Scratch. So let's get started. If you see right here, my screen is right here, and the first thing you would like to change the name to anything. I'm going to change it to I am an animal. And then you're gonna, so first let's start by choosing a character. So over there, click over there, go to animals, and choose any animal. For now, I will choose a hedgehog. I'll choose this hedgehog. So then what you would like to do is then you would like to go to then you would like to go to Lux, and then click this change to costume button. That'll change to any moves that you choose. So right here, A is that, and B is that. Alright, you also have to get a background. I'm just gonna get a simple one, like this one right here. I'm gonna keep my hedgehog right on top of the rock. So then, so if you change it to like maybe D, it changes positions. Maybe B. So I like to make my face go up and down. So if you take this and take another one that actually should say, what is this? So that actually, this one should say C. So look. So it's moving. If I put it like this, it's moving fast, but you can't see. So if you go to control, there is, wait 1 second. So I'm just gonna put, instead of 1, I'm gonna put 0.2. Now look. Now it just went up and down. Now if we go back to the sounds, we should get this sound option that says start sound. So it just does a pop sound. Or actually you can change it by going to the sound and click this, and you can add a sound. So I'll just go to there and then add a chirping sound, like maybe this one. So then you'll go back to code and then click start sound over here, and then also, so it works. So then you would also maybe go back to the if you go back to the looks, you can say you could say something. Hello, my name is Peachy. Peachy. Peggy. We can change it to any. So we can do that. Go back to everyone's and put this over here. So if you, and then you can click save now and click share. Now look. So when I click this, it says what's its name, and it does the chirping sound and moves its face up and down. Thank you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.